Welcome to another End Times 4565 video, and this is just a short notice to let you know that there's something interesting happening here. Came across my news wire, and after contacting some officials, have come up with an interesting situation. And the situation, ladies and gentlemen, would be a comet or slash asteroid called 2016 WF9. Now, this comet and our asteroid is approaching the Earth at about 26,000 miles per hour, and it's not alone. It has with it a second object that is also with it. Now, NASA has admitted that these objects are on the approach. However, they said that they're not sure if it's a comet or an asteroid, and they say that it's possibly going to pass a few million kilometers from the Earth for the one, but the other one is not sure about because the orbits are changing constantly due to gravitational pulls and pushes. And so, obviously, you're not really sure. However, lately, on my last look at near-Earth object list, these two objects are not listed. And the reason is they don't have one. And so, as I was studying that, it is what it is. That's 2016 WF9. Then I came across this information, this story here. And this astronomer is not in the United States, and he's not a part of NASA. Never a straight answer. And he puts out an article, and it's Nibiru fragment to strike Earth in February, says Russian astronomer. It says on Monday, NASA identified a rogue celestial object hurtling toward Earth at an alarming 26,000 miles per hour. The anomaly, designated 2016 WF9, is over 1 kilometer in diameter and is currently visible in the southern skies. NASA's brightest minds have failed to reach a consensus as to the origin and nature of the celestial body. While 2016 WF9 is dark like a comet, it lacks the characteristic gas and dust cloud that define a comet. They unanimously agree, however, that 2016 WF9 will harmlessly skirt the Earth sometime during the first week of February. Despite these assurances, Russian-born astronomer and Nibiru whistleblower Dr. Zakharovich believes otherwise, asserting that the newly identified object originated in the Nibiru system and will strike our planet, surviving its trip through the atmosphere intact on February 16, 2017. So here we go again, ladies and gentlemen. Now we have a new date set of a catastrophe. And it's not set by people in the U.S. This is a Russian astronomer. He says, quote, NASA is lying through its teeth, Zakharovich said. It's not conceivable that they do not know the truth. We have seen the data. The object they call WF9 left the Nibiru system in October when Nibiru began spinning counterclockwise around the sun. Since then, NASA knows it will hit Earth, but they are only telling people now and telling lies that they call it 2016 WF9. Proves they're lying. If they just discovered it yesterday, it would have been 2017 WF9. And he goes on to say, Nibiru system is filled with asteroids and dust. It was only a matter of time before one was hurled in our direction. The object is larger than NASA says. Our preliminary data suggests 2.2 kilometer asteroid that will have no problem penetrating the atmosphere without burning up, Dr. Zakharovich says. He says the asteroid is composed of hardened trinium encased in a nickel-iron core, essentially making it invulnerable to the thermoclitic shielding that normally protects our planet from small spaceborne objects. If correct, 2016 WF9 impact will cause widespread devastation, striking with the force of a 3,000 megaton atomic weapon. An ocean impact would boil the seas and potentially generate a catastrophic tsunami. If it hits, entire cities will be laid to waste. And this is just the precursor to the damage Nibiru will cause when it gets here, Dr. Zhakarovich said. NASA probably knows the impact zone. I do not. We are all in peril. This was what the Dr. Zhakarovich from Russia, the astronomer, has said. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we know that these incoming objects that we have approaching have a wide debris field. They know this, and this has been verified. This debris field is swirling and orbiting around the incoming objects because of their magnetics as they pick up different material as they move through space, as their magnetics and gravitational pull draws them in. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we already know of all these objects. Could this be the beginning of debris field from the incoming objects? I know we're talking 15 AU thereabouts from us, but we don't know exactly how far these whirling particles are. Now, as they spin around the two objects, sometimes they hit each other and going in different directions and knock one another on a trajectory. That's why NASA is not able to get a trajectory exactly on these two incoming objects. Now, I don't know if my dream was about these two small objects or if my dream was about the incoming objects. I don't understand. I don't know. I know I had a dream about it, but I don't understand. And I wasn't told by the Lord what it was. But I do know something's coming, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not trying to cause fear-mongering. I'm asking you to investigate. Investigate. Keep your eyes and ears open. Don't get caught unawares. 2016 WF9 and its friend are approaching. Possibly close flyby will be seen with the naked eye either way, according to Never a Straight Answer. And, according to Russia, impact is probable in February, middle of February. So, ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, just another tidbit for you. I told you 2017 was going to be interesting. Make no mistake about it, my friends. It will be an interesting year. You have to prepare yourself. You have to prepare your soul. You have to prepare your family, your house. You have to prepare. If you think the government is going to come to your aid, you are sadly mistaken. It's up to you. It's up to you. I'm looking at you, and I'm calling you to prepare yourself. I'm calling you to prepare yourself. I'm asking you. I'm asking you to repent. I'm asking you to go to church. I'm asking you to fall on your knees, your face before God, and repent. I'm asking you to say a prayer. It's not a hard thing, ladies and gentlemen. It's actually the easiest thing in the world. For God's arms are open wide to receive whatever you have to say. He said he would never leave you or forsake you. Even though you've left him and forsaken him, he still awaits your repentant answer. He shall not turn you away. I ask you to investigate 2016 WF9 and its core as they approach the planet. We shall see. We shall see in about a month what is what. Do we only have 30 days before we're rocked? Is it possible that this news is real? I don't know if it's fake news, ladies and gentlemen. I, from my investigation, say it is not. It is very real. I don't know the astronomer in Russia. I wish I did. I'm going to try to find a way to get information from him. I don't know. Maybe you can find him. But ladies and gentlemen, either way, a close flyby that's unpredictable. 2.2 kilometers in size. Why is never a straight answer lying about the size, the speed, and the trajectory? Please, don't get caught unawares. Look out. Look out. Look out. This has been another video from End Times. 4565. I'll be back.
A new day is at hand. I said the sun is coming up. A new day is about to begin. Jesus is coming again. Yes, he is. Well, the Lord is coming. I said the Lord is coming to take us away. Jesus will return someday. Yes, he will. I said the Lord will descend from on high with a shout. I said the Lord will descend